blues comping pattern looks a lot harder than what it is. It's really, if you look at the notes and the tab, and you take away the notes, it's a real simple pattern. It's basically playing two strings and just alternating between first finger and third finger on just one of the strings. So the problem that the kids have is that they only need to play two strings at a time, and those two strings change every once in a while. When we start out, it says that we're going to play on the A string, okay, open. And then it has a 2 above that on the string higher, okay. But it says down at the bottom of the page, use first finger on second fret notes. So we're actually going to be playing the A string and the D string, okay, at the same time, okay, with first finger on the second fret. All right, it might take a little bit of while to get set up, but first finger on the second fret of the D string, and then just open on the A string, okay? And then after you play that twice, 1 and, we switch and it has a 4. The A string stays still open, but the D string has a 4 on it. So that means take your, actually third finger, but you're going to play the 4th fret, okay? Because down at the bottom of the page, it says use third finger on 4th fret notes. And we do that twice. 2 and, okay? So all we're doing is alternating from 2, the 2nd fret to the 4th fret, using the 1st and 3rd finger, okay? So the students will start out sort of slowly. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and they do that for quite a while. Well, eventually in the music it changes. The pattern doesn't change really here other than you're switching strings. So instead of playing the A and the D string, you're now playing the D string and the G string. Okay? So all you're doing is taking your finger and moving it from here, okay, up to a higher string, which is here. And you're doing the same pattern. Okay? So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, and they do that for a little bit while. Okay? And then here's another tricky part. If you look, when it changes again, it's got the open string on the low E, okay, and then first finger on the A string, okay? So you're sort of skipping a string and going all the way down. So you're playing the low E and the next string, same pattern with the left hand, okay? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and, all right? Well, then you got to jump all the way up. You skip a string, go back up. 3 and 4 and you just follow the pattern of the music. So it's literally, once you get this left hand set up and you're playing two strings with your right hand, you just sort of shift it around. Okay? Kids start off as slow as they need to. If they need to play every other note or even the first note of each measure, that's fine. They can just do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and do what they can do, but try to keep it in rhythm with the beat, okay?